Welcome. Today, we'll learn how to delete comments from your Instagram posts. Let's dive in. Open the Instagram app on your device. Let's say you commented on a post, expressing your admiration for a beautiful place. However, you made a spelling mistake. No worries, we'll show you how to delete that comment. Locate the comment you want to delete and long press on it. A delete icon will appear in the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on it. However, if you encounter a private account with restricted deleting options, don't worry. We have another method for you. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Next, click on the three lines in the top right corner to open a pop-up menu. From the pop-up menu, select your activity. In the Your Activity section, you'll find various options. Tap on Comments. Locate the comment you want to delete and mark it. Finally, press the Delete button at the bottom. And there you have it. You now know how to delete comments from your Instagram posts. Thank you for watching. If you have any other specific requests or changes you'd like to make, please let me know, and I'll be happy to assist you.